lotus, which is a bit tilted towards like this, okay, towards left side. The stem is going to be like this.
This is the first one. The second one is going to be somewhere over here. Let it overlap.
A smaller one over here. The right side. Now if you are finding it difficult to do this, I'll show you an easy method. What you can do is, first, see, you can simply draw a U like this, a big U or a half circle like this, and then at the center you can draw one petal, next two curves like this opposite, and then close it in this way, and then a smaller one, and then still small. Done. After doing this, you're going to convert this single line into a double line here. Don't make it too thick.
Sir, can you wait 1 minute?
I'm just adding this line to make it please take yellow color, and first, see, please give a nice neat outline here. You're not going to paint inside the flower.
Start.
Huh. You have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes until this dries. Dried full. Is it dried? Okay then. Here, I'm going to take black pen. I'm going to give a nice outline. I'll just show you one flower. Neatly give an outline first. See this? After giving this, you are going to simply add lines like these, curvy lines inside. Just fill the petals with curvy lines. Even here, you are going to do it like this. A lot of curves inside. neatly do this, and then you're going to give an outline with sketch pen, with black sketch pen like this. You can even use a big marker for this. Make sure the outline is thick. It shouldn't be thin line, it should be a bold line, okay? Yeah, give a nice border here. It will look good once border is given, okay? And try to make the outlines of petals little thick. It has to be thick line, outline, only outline of petals.